Hi everyone, this is your Mech Guru here, back again with a brand new MS Excel video. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about MS Excel's VLOOKUP formula. So, what is VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. So, actually, friends, it is a function that makes Excel search for a certain value. In its simplest form, the VLOOKUP function says VLOOKUP is where you want to look up for that. Okay, so here we have a table over here with a shops list. Okay, top products, product code, quantity, and its price. So in this table, if I want to know what is my shop's perfume's price. So if I have seen a perfume and it goes $100. So I it's a small table, so I can easily find it out that it is $100. Imagine if the table is so huge and you can't guess out like this by tracing out. So what you want to do is just take it. So suppose I want my watches. So I've written my watches over here, and in this big, huge table, we can't find out. So here's a formula known for VLOOKUP, vertical lookup, where you want to look for it. Okay, so let's type in this formula called VLOOKUP. So what you want to type is V equals to VLOOKUP, and you can see a pop-up comes VLOOKUP, looks for a value in the leftmost column of a table, etc. So just click on that, or you might not need to click also and just add a bracket. It says lookup value, table array, column index number, and range lookup. So my lookup value is nothing but my watches. So click on watches, it says C1. Add a comma and the table array, the which table I want. So click on my table. I'm going to select my table. It says A4 is to D12. So that's my table, comma. It asks for my column index number. So guys, I want my price of my watch. Okay, and it's in the fourth column. So I'm going to type in 4, comma. So now a pop-up comes, says that true, approximate match, false, exact match. Right now I'm looking for my exact match. I don't want to go to approximate match. So 0, I'm going to type in 0 and then close the bracket. So 0 is nothing but false, friends. So false, I need the exact match. Now click on enter. It says 30. And it's truly, it is 30. So we've got the same. Now, what if I need some stationery? Just type in stationery and then click on enter. It says 10. So once you've entered the formula, it directly gives you the answer. One step, friends, just a single step, and you get all the answers. So I hope this makes you understand. Now let's go on further about this. See, top products. Every time I need to type in the name of my product, like suppose shoes, shoes, and I need to write the formula over here called VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP and shoes, comma, my table array, comma, column index number 4, comma 0, close the bracket. I need the exact number. It says shoes is 25. Yes. So I always need to write the same words of my products. So what if we create a drop-down list? It's easier when we create a drop-down list. Now, if you want to create a drop-down list on this top products, click on that, go to data, and you can see data validation over here. you can see data validation and click on the kind of a drop down, and it says data validation, circle invalid data, clear validation circles. So I want the data validation, click on that, and after a few minutes a pop-up comes saying that data value validation criteria allow, it says any value, we want it as a list, click on list and then click this button so that you can search for that. And then I'm going to select my mobile, camera, watches, laptop, clothes, perfume, shoes, etc. And then click on enter and then click OK. So when I click on my products list, it shows a triangular button. When you click on that, it shows whichever product you have. So in this case, I can easily find out my answer by clicking just if I click on laptop 80, but just by clicking. So easy, friends. You can get it just so easily by clicking on it. Okay, now let's move into another part of my video. Now, um, my top product is my camera, and my price, click on the VLOOKUP. I want the camera, comma, table array, comma, 4, comma, 0, and then close the bracket, click on enter. I get 50. So $50 is the cost of my camera. Now, if I want to know if I buy 5 cameras, so let's type in 5 and then go to total. Type here equals B19 because here it's B, it comes in B and it's in 50 and it's 19. Okay, I'm gonna type in B19 and then add a star which indicates multiplication and C19 just because we want to multiply that from B19 to C19 and then click on enter, you get 250. That's your answer. So friends, you might have understood this video, and thanks for watching this video, and let's roll the out. Bye.
Hey, hush.